Hello fam, how are you doing guys? This is the Radio Apprentice. Now I understand the excitement when we are just about to start something new, especially when we want to start podcasting. And this talk is just about how we can keep up with podcasting without having to slack back because a lot of people who started, they've all stopped. They've all stopped really. First of all, they don't even have contents to continue. The zeal is no longer there because there are no collaborations. Nobody was motivating them to do so. I can understand all of that, and especially if it's not in your field. And some people just try to look at it as a hobby, but then it's a hobby that you cannot keep up with, so it becomes quite expensive. Especially when you cannot create contents, or when you can no longer coin your contents properly to enable you talk, or when challenges are hitting you left, right, and center, and you don't feel like you have the time anymore to release an episode. Now, if you start something, the good thing about it is keeping up with it. Now, if content is your problem, I know a lot of people run out of content because they just start a topic and then they say everything at the same time. Some people exhaust their topic in just one episode. Now, you don't have to do so. One topic can give you over 10, 15 highlights. All you have to do is scatter your topic, create highlights from them, ask for public opinion, seek cancel, do survey. That way you would have responses to keep up with your next episodes. Okay, maybe you don't even have to jump into the next highlight that you have. You can actually be dealing with responses of people from your previous episode. That's because you opened yourself up to responses, to public opinion. And you and I know that 99 of the topics we talk about all the time on air, they all have to do with the public, whether they are private life or their public life. However it is, it's not about us personally. It's about every other person as well. So release a survey, create highlights from your topic, deliberate on the highlights one after the other, create episodes from them, and then deliberate on public opinions when you get them. Ask people to talk about stuff that you want to air and then use their own ideas to make up yours. It works out quite fine. With one highlight, you can actually deal with 3 episodes. And if you can use one topic to run yourself through the month, then you're doing well. Then you're never going to stop, but you're going to keep having fun. But then I understand that even with all of that, we still miss out on the theme. Then you can join Oralvault Voice Club and then meet up with other team members. We can create topics and have a chat and have talk. We talk a lot. We do a whole lot of talking. We gossip a lot. We do a whole lot of talking all the time. So we can actually divert our energy into quite something meaningful right now and let the world hear us say what we want to say without any much censors at all. So what do you think, guys? I'm going to leave out this one right now. Now, the only thing I'm going to tell you for this episode right now is try to create highlights from your topics. Seek public opinion. Do surveys. Talk about these things when you're actually going for your next episode. That way you can prolong a topic. Okay? You can always get a couple of highlights from a particular topic. It just depends on how you want to go about it. I'll tell you more, guys, but you just have to stay tuned because this video is timed right now, so I've actually exhausted my time and I have to go back to the radio. Okay? Stay tuned, guys. This is the Radio Apprentice, and you just got my first tip on podcasting.